practice your duck. Your duck comes from your knees, not your head, right? So don't do this looking down. Use the knees, you're actually looking straight because you want to go down, pop back up so you can strike. Duck, pop up. Now change your lead. When I say change your lead, that means put the other foot forward and practice it in that stance. So duck, pop up. You can also practice it with your feet in ready stance, just regular standing up like this. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Part of my language. When you get into that situation, that's how you feel. It's like, oh shit. So next, you did that duck, you popped up, and immediately you strike. If you want to punch, you could punch, but I'm gonna do it in open hand strikes, all right? Because that's the first thing you should be learning for self-defense purposes. Okay. I'm in left fighting stance right now. Front hand is in the left, right hand, and then left again. Okay, so that's 3 hits. 1, 2, 3. From the side, left fighting stance. 1, 2, 3. Okay, change my lead, and now it's right hand first. 1, 2, 3. Front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, a stance where you are just in ready stance. You ducked. 1, 2, 3. Duck. 1, 2, 3. Duck. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Notice I have like a slight forward movement because in a real situation, you're not standing up, you're actually going to be moving forward, and you want to have like a drop step, like a football player. So like, okay, forward. So my shoulders are getting involved. Last strike is your instep. From a neutral stance, doesn't matter which foot you use, but point that foot, okay, like a ballerina, like a gymnast. Point that foot so that this part is what you're using. The only time you practice like this is if you're planning on wearing steel-toe shoes. You will break your toe. And you're trying to break no toes. Only go up to your waist. Guys on the other side. 3. So, let's put those together slowly. Neutral stance first. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now I'm gonna put on some music. I'll do my Soca. Now what you got?